Okay, so I'm going to create a graph very quickly here. I'm going to just do the bar graph there. There we go. And I wanted to show you guys just a few ways that we could customize this a bit, sort of play around with it. And what's really nice is in Office 2016 and Office 2019 and Office 365 onwards, it's much easier to work with graphs, and I'll show you why. So here I can just click and I can type in something. So I'm going to type in the title. So how do you spell Shaver-thon? Shaver-thon. Thon. Okay, I pressed equals, but hey, it looks cool. Shaver-thon, and I'm just going to make that a little bigger and bolder. That's cool. Great. You can also click on any item here, like so. All right, and you can right-click and say format the data series, and then you can change the fill and all sorts of other options there. That's one way. Okay, so for example, let's change the picture here. Format, shape, fill, and make it green. Okay, so do you see that actually formatting a chart is actually very easy? Just select what you want to work with and look in your ribbon. You can also change the entire look of your chart. If you don't like what you've chosen, you select the chart, go to chart design, and here you can see we have chart styles. And we have actually quite a nice bunch of them. I quite like this one. There's one idea. Or let's see, we've got this one here. That's also not bad. Just make that a bit bigger, have a good look at it. Yeah, I like that one. Very nice. That's another thing we can do. Let's see what else we have. So on the right hand side, we've got a plus icon. We have a paintbrush icon and a filter. These are the two I want you to look at. The plus lets us add various elements or take away elements from our chart. So we've got axes titles, chart titles, data labels, and have a look and see what it does. So data labels, for example, is quite interesting. So if I switch that on, just put a little tick in the box, I have data labels. There they are, and I can select them, and I can then modify them or change them if I want to. Titles, chart title, data labels, data table. There's quite a bit you can do here, and if you want to go like further, just click on the little arrow pointing to the side, and there's even more. And if you want to go even further, there's even more options as well, which brings up a side panel and you can go crazy. So be aware that on any chart you can click on the chart, and your options for formatting the chart are here on the right hand side. So I click on the little there paintbrush. That's also a nice one as well. So that is how we format a chart. If you want to do a background picture, that's pretty cool. So watch this. Just right click, go to format chart area. Here we have our fill options. There's a paint bucket there, fill, and we can actually choose a solid fill, a gradient fill, a picture fill if you wanted to, or a pattern. So there you go. Right click, here's your friend. Right click, format chart area. But also look at these buttons over here. And that's how we format charts.